With our latest Colorado UVgel printer, we are going to give you a tool for the future. But before we look ahead, let's take a look at the past. Years ago, Canon started working on a strategy to bring more value to the large format graphic arts market. We didn't want to come with a copycat solution, so we knew we had to invent something radically different. We introduced a completely new ink technology, UVgel. With unprecedented productivity and automation, segment-leading image quality, and excellent application versatility, the UVgel technology offers the speed and productivity of a high-end industrial machine. A technology that combines the benefits of eco-solvent, latex, and traditional UV in a single machine. In 2017, we introduced the first 64-inch roll-to-roll reel production printer, the Colorado 1640. We observed that there was a gap in the market when it came to printer hardware. The Colorado 1640 was the world's first real production printer in the 64-inch segment, known for its 4 pillars: breakthrough productivity, unattended printing, low operational costs, wide application range. In 2019, we released the Colorado 1650. We added more features to the machine, made our ink more stretchable for a bigger application range, and introduced the unique Flex Finish curing technology, enabling a matte and a gloss finish without changing ink or media. In 2020, we introduced the UVgel Wallpaper Factory, a unique solution for mass-customized, automated wallpaper production. To date, more and more printing companies, sales and media manufacturers, and the partner channel have adopted UVgel technology as their first choice for their roll-to-roll offering, and print volumes are skyrocketing. We see that professional printers around the globe embrace the UVgel advantage to produce highly durable, odorless, and instantly dry prints of consistent high quality with a wide color gamut at breakthrough speeds. This Colorado printer platform has proven to be a safety net for graphic businesses around the world, and professionals are considering it to be the technology of the future. And now, we are going to take the power of UVgel to the masses. We want to make it easy for everyone to start their day with the UVgel advantage. Are you ready to expand your horizons and be part of the worldwide product premiere of the next UVgel family member?